Hey guys, I am here to give you guys, I guess, kind of an updated way of washing my hair, but I mean, I kind of still wash it the exact same way as I used to, but I guess I haven't done it in a while, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing still, same old, same old. I'm one of those people where, if I find something that works, I'm gonna stick with it because, I mean, why not? It's working. So, yeah, I took out my box braids that I kept in for about 3 months, and I took my hair down 3 weeks ago, and now I'm just now getting around to washing it. So I'm just gonna show you guys that process. So basically, I just put my hair in 4 sections, no special parting, no special anything, and then I'm gonna wash my hair with some black soap. After I get done washing my hair, I don't put anything on it as far as a conditioner or anything like that. I just wash it with the black soap, and then I put in the chebe powder or the chebe butter, whichever I decide to use at that time. And this time around, I'm going to be using the traditional chebe powder. So yeah, I'm just going to show you this one section on camera because I didn't want to make the video too long, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to wash my hair. And I'm going to wash each section 2 times, and that's just because, like I said, I haven't washed my hair in a long time, about six or more months. And plus, they've been sitting in those box braids, and when you have box braids, all of the product oils and things like that, it kind of builds up where the box braid starts at, like the gathering point. So I just wanted to make sure it was extra clean, and all of the dirt and debris was out of my hair before I started with a new session of chebe. So I'm just gonna, like I said, wash each section 2 times, and then I will be applying chebe after this, and I will show you guys how I apply it. It's still the same way, but I'll update you just in case I do something different. And I'll be doing a length check as well, since I'll have freshly washed hair, and it'll kind of be in a stretched state because the water would have kind of weighed it down. And something that you may have noticed is that I put the shampoo or the soap only on the root area, and then I just kind of let the soap run down the strands of my hair, so I don't necessarily wash them directly. I just let the soap run down it and then kind of swish it around in my hand, so I'm not putting a whole bunch of product in my hair. So once I rinsed all the soap out, I'm going to just twist it, two strand twist it, and then put it in like a bantu knot, just so I can get all my sections done. And this will also be the same sections that I use to apply my chebe. And here I'm just showing you how much shedding I had, or hair that fell out while I was washing my whole entire head. As you can see, it's not much. And then I'm just showing you that I use this little microfiber style head wrap. It is for washing your hair, or to dry your hair off. And yeah, I will see you guys when I get ready to apply the chebe. I hope you enjoyed it.